take up for me. Cause I was scared when I was young. They would catch somebody just in time while they was beating on me. I'll never forget, this girl had patent leather shoes and leotards, stomping, Ginger and Lizzie walking. Then it was brave. My sister Ginger towards the fire stand. Never let anybody leave. Right. My brother standing here, he wasn't happy. I was scared. This guy wanted to fight me one day.